With your footage added to a composition, if you hold the cursor over either the start or end of your clip, two arrows will appear. Here, hold down your left mouse button and drag to trim your clip as required. An outline will be left which shows the maximum length of your clip. If you cannot grab the edges of your clip, it may be because the duration of your clip is greater than that of your composition. If you left click and hold on your clip, you can drag to move it along the timeline to find either the start or the end. However, this can often be very time consuming. Instead, you can lengthen the duration of your composition by right-clicking on your composition in the project window and selecting Composition Settings. In here, there's an option to increase the duration. In this example, we're just going to add an extra minute to this composition, and then this will reveal the full length of our clip. An alternative and somewhat easier method to trim clips is to use the Split Layer tool. To do this, first position the playhead where you want to make the cut, and then go to Edit in the menu and select Split Layer. This will cut your clip into two separate layers. And if, for example, you no longer need the starting part of your clip, you can simply click on that layer and hit backspace to delete it.